How far now?
Babe, how about the money you promised me today?
I don't know it. I don't know you.
My man.
How far, bro?
How you doing now?
I beg. That crypto something where you always tell me about. I beg. I want to know how I want to make money from that thing. This girl don't they beat me now. I have see finish. Tell me, I beg.
My man, I'm working so good there. There is no problem.
Okay.
One thing I will always tell you is don't be in a haste to make money in crypto because you want to surprise your baby or something like that. Crypto always need a patient way before you can say, yes, I've already learned how to do it and make money. Then you can now say confidently, say, I am making money from trading.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Okay.
So if your baby is disturbing you in a big way, all I want you to do right now is to calm down and follow step by step that I will give you on this page now. Then you can follow those step by step and start making money for yourself through the cryptocurrency.
Okay.
You got the Yes.
So what is this step by step now?
Now, the step by step is that I always tell people that stop giving people money to invest for you into the crypto space.
Okay.
Okay. Always learn how to do it by yourself. Stop giving people money to trade for you. And the first step on what to do is to invest at least 3 weeks to 1 month of your time learning how the space works. Most people join with the crypto space and complain that it is not working just because they didn't give it time to learn what it takes. Thousands of people are making money from this space. Thousands of people are losing money from this space. But what makes those people different from those people that are making money from those that are not making money is the time given to the structure to learn how it works.
Okay. But what's I want to know, what if I lose the money I invest?
Now, coming to how I do my own. Currently, I have more than 100,000 students.
Okay.
Are you getting me? And if it is not working, most of those students will not be with me. Hope you don't. All the way from 2022 till now, people are still learning step by step.
Yeah.
Now, if it is not working, they will not be with me. So I have a strategy that I always teach my students. If you are risking money in crypto, do not lose more than you can afford on that trade. Most time, I normally peg my own at 40% loss.
Okay.
Then if I'm winning in any trade, I always chase between 200%, 100% or 150%.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Okay.
So if you chase 200%, weighted twice, then lost 40% in one, you will not be feeling bad. You understand? So that is why. Forget about those that always say that crypto is a scam. It's because they don't really know what they are doing on the space.
Because everyone has says crypto scam. So how do you get crypto? I forget trade. So I hope it's not scam.
No, the crypto space is never a scam. Crypto space is never a scam for once. If it's a scam, why would Donald Trump get involved? Why will Elon Musk get involved? It's not a scam. It's just something that needed a structured knowledge to work. Do you understand? Now, when it comes to me teaching you how to do this thing, I can guarantee you 3 weeks.
Under 3 weeks?
3 weeks, you can be making good money for yourself.